elements and compounds. We classify matter as either a pure substance or a mixture of two or more substances. Elements and compounds are pure substances. Compounds are formed when elements bond chemically. Elements and compounds can be mixed together. When pure substances are mixed, they do not bond chemically. They can be mixed in any ratio. It is fairly easy to separate the substances in a mixture from each other. Seawater is a mixture. It consists mainly of salts that are dissolved in water. The salts and the water are compounds. Small amounts of gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are also dissolved in seawater. The salts can be easily distracted by evaporating the water. Seawater from different oceans of the world have these compounds and elements mixed with water in different ratios. The air around us is a mixture of different gases. It contains mainly the elements nitrogen and oxygen. There are also gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and argon in air. The ratio of carbon dioxide in the air of a specific area can be influenced by the industrial activity in that area. Rock that contains minerals is called ore. Ore is a mixture of different compounds of which one or more contain a valuable metal. Different ores have different ratios of compounds. Magnetite, for example, is an ore of iron. It contains iron oxide and other compounds such as silica. A physical process is used to separate the compound iron oxide from the ore. A series of chemical reactions are then necessary to isolate the element iron from iron oxide. A mixture of oxygen gas and hydrogen gas consists of the element oxygen and the element hydrogen that are physically mixed together. These two gases can be mixed in any ratio. Water, however, is a compound formed when hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms bond during a chemical reaction. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen in water is always 2:1. Electrolysis, a chemical reaction, is needed to split water into oxygen and hydrogen again. When iron powder and sulfur powder are mixed, both elements can be identified when one looks at the mixture. The two powders can be mixed in any ratio. It is very easy to separate the two elements by using a magnet. Iron sulfide, however, is a compound formed when iron atoms and sulfur atoms bond during a chemical reaction. The ratio of iron to sulfur in iron sulfide is always 1:1. What have we learnt?
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Nasky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.